guys, it's your boy Johnson Akins from Femtech Computer Institute, a place where we build the computer gurus. Today we are going to be looking at graphic design course. And under this graphic design course, we are going to be working with a package called CorelDRAW. We are going to use this application to create a logo that is popularly known by everyone. Without further ado, let's dive in. Already I have my CorelDRAW application open with a logo which is well known. The first thing which I'm going to do here is I will draw a circle. I will come to the toolbox bar here and click on the ellipse tool. I will hold my control key down to draw a perfect circle. After drawing a perfect circle, I will still go to my toolbox bar here and click on the rectangle tool, which is this. I will draw a rectangle like this. Now, after this has been done, I will bring the rectangle on the image here. I will rotate the rectangle. Using different methods, you can rotate it. Is that you come here, then you enter the degree on the property bar here, or you rotate manually. But let's use the property bar here. I will just enter -16, then I will have something like this. So now that I have this, I will go ahead to centralize this by highlighting two of them together. I will press my letter C and my letter E. Horizontal centralization and vertical centralization. So now, after it has been centralized, the next thing I want to do is, I will click on this rectangle object. I will go to the menu here, that is on the menu bar at the top. I will click on Object menu, then I will select Convert to Curve. Convert to Curve. Now, Convert to Curve, then, after it has been converted to curve, what I need to do next is, I will go to my toolbox here and select Shape 2. Now, after I have clicked on Shape 2, I will click on the rectangle which I have converted to curve. Click on this. Then I will go to the property bar at the top and select this one, Convert to Curve, this particular option here. I will click on this. Then I will come to the center here to drag like this. Then I will go again to the next line. I will click on this. I will go to the property bar again, select Convert to Curve, which is this icon. Then here, instead of dragging from the center, I will use this handle here, which you see. I have two handles, this one and this one. So I will select this and I will just drag this. Then I can go ahead to adjust this one. While I drag this one up a bit, all you need to do is just adjust to what you are trying to achieve. So, that's what you need to do. I will bring this one down like this. And I will get this one close to it. So now, I will adjust this like this. Then I will go ahead to adjust this one, which is the curve. So I will click on this node here, this point here. So I can easily adjust this. Click on this node to adjust this area. Yes. So I can easily adjust this. And I can easily do this one too. Just drag to get what you want. So all you need to do is drag these handles to adjust to what you want. After I have made the shape to look like what I want it to look like, the next step is to select the shape and the circle together and apply something called trim to it. Now, how do we achieve this? To trim this, I will highlight these, the two together. After highlighting the two together, then on my property bar here, the first one is weld, the second one is trim. Now, you will not see these if the two of them are not highlighted. But if the two of them are highlighted, definitely you will see that display. Make sure you select the two of them, otherwise you will not see this. So the first one here is world. The second one is train. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to be trained. I will need to click on this. That is the shape on top, and I'll bring it out. Now you see that it has been trained. After it has been trained, the next thing which I would like to do now is to apply color to it. But if I should click on it to apply color, it will apply to both. That is, one single color will apply to both. But from what we are trying to recreate, we have two colors there. So how do we achieve this? To do this, I will need to click on the object. Then on my property bar here, there is something called break apart here. I will click on break apart. Fine. Then I will click out, go back and click on the object. That is the first one at the top. Then apply the color, which is this. I will just pick this color. Then click on the second one, which is the one at the bottom. Then apply this color, which is this. Now, after I have done this, you will see there is a black line around it. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. There is a black line around this. But from here, we don't have any black line. To remove this black line, all I need to do is I will highlight two of them together, the first one and the one at the bottom. Then I will come here at the top, which is on the property bar, and select none. I will delete this, and that is how to create this logo. If you want to learn more about graphic design, contact Femtech Computer Institute, a place where we build the computer gurus, on +234 81 38 36 73 73. Thank you for learning from us, and see you guys next time.